Here's the front of the house and young Garrett. Hello, Garrett.
Hello.
This is our view. Oh no, what happened to that birdhouse? Oh, see, we're kind of close to the road. Always having to mow the yard. So pretty. Tree-lined fence. This is our view. Little kid swing. And this is our backyard. Yay, so pretty. And we have a little fenced-in area in case we ever get a dog. A couple of outbuildings, which I'm going to paint yellow like I've painted the house. So this is our view every morning. There's a barn down there. There's my little vegetable garden that Garrett's making the gate for. We need to put some more plants in there, but we'll make a quick pan back to our friend. Hope he doesn't fall through those holes. Bye.